Feeling stuck or lost on your career path? Eager to dive into the world of project management but don't know where to begin? You're not alone, and we have the perfect solution. Hello, my name's Andrew Mulford from AM Mentoring Academy. We specialise in turning career aspirations into realities, especially for those looking to master project management. We have developed a course which is more than just education. It's a launchpad for your future. From fundamental knowledge to advanced project management techniques, our course covers it all. You'll learn vital skills in communication, leadership, and much more, setting you up for success. Project management is a gateway to diverse, high-paying careers. It's a field where your skills safeguard your job against automation and AI, offering endless opportunities for growth. Our course goes beyond the basics. You'll get a step-by-step guide to creating an actionable plan for your career, CV writing tools, interview techniques, along with access to our supportive community for networking and mentorship. For a limited period, access our comprehensive course at a fraction of its price. And with our full money-back guarantee, it's a risk-free investment in your career. Take the leap into project management today. Join us at AM Mentoring Academy and begin your journey to success. Enroll now and unlock your potential.